Good afternoon. Bagong videos na naman. At may pupuntahan kami ngayon. Bili ng GoPro. Dapat doon tayo sa kabila, no? Kasi pababa TV Hi-Fi sa baba doon. Sa kabila doon.
Try ko dito.
Sunday pa lang. Kaya marami. Wala na ang oras pa lang. Anong oras pa lang? Ay alas 12 na.
Napapansin. Kasi Sunday.
Wala pa lang daanan dito.
Oo, ako.
Opya, dito na.
Hindi, magpapark kita ang
Park yan. Yan, pwede yan. Sakto.
Atras ko.
Dapat dyan yung pasok mo na lang.
What the heck?
O yan, dyan, meron pa dyan sa gilid. Pwede na lang dyan.
Si May break? No. So guys, ito po talaga yung first option. Lubat. Lubat.
Ito yung susunod na bibili.
Ay, wow. Yummy.
Na tayo.
Oh yeah, 8.58.
Mura na.
8.58 na lang.
Ito yung bulta.
Anong bulta?
Yung walang wala masyadong accessories.
That one?
199 lang. 199.
Oh, bili ka na. Sayang yung walang battery ng 8.
Wala.
Baka mo na to, Beng.
Ito, ang ganda na ito. Compatible sa content to. Sa black ay sa 12.
12? Oh. Ano yung isa? Same lang ata.
Hello?
Same.
Oh, same.
Lanyard naman to. Feeling ko yung... Ano? Memory niyan. Sige, tanong mo na. Sayang din yung sale. Save 100. 91. Uy, ganito si Kyle.
Ito? Pero siya?
Hindi ganito. Sabi ko lang gagawin. Wala ka pa niyan.
Ito nagpo-float ata ito eh.
Floating?
Ha?
Water?
Oh, floating. Floating hand grip.
Sabi-sabi nakatayo. Sa tubig.
Hindi, pag nalaglag mo, luluta. Just in
Nakatayo.
case mawala mo.
Okay. TV po talaga yung bibili namin. Nagtitingin na ng bag. $99. Tatlo na yan. Yeah.
Kala ko GoPro.
Nabag.
Ang camera lang ata to. Oh, ang camera. Dapat pang GoPro. Dapat pang GoPro. Camera access.
Baka wala naman pang GoPro.
Camera access.
Kaya naman pala eh. Di ba may bag naman to? Ayan na. May
Meron
bag
ba?
siya eh.
Hindi, casing mo.
Ay, kahit na.
Have a look.
Does it come with a memory card or?
No, you have to buy it separately, I believe. You want to have a look at it?
Yes, take it.
Oh, you want to buy it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I think actually for GoPros, I have to get a salesperson. Stay here. Someone, when they are free, I'll call someone here.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
GoPro. 3-way?
Anyway, pwede mo nang gamitin
Pang tayo?
pang tayo. Yung parang hawakan.
Pero isa lang.
O extend. Pwede mo extend to.
Plus it's really thick, so I'd rather just like it. That's fine.
Next na daw. Ang drone. 1-3? 2-3 pala. Ano yan?
Tara. Wait, wait.
Ano na?
Mga kantin.
Tatlo na nga lang.
Ayos lang din ata ito. Kasi 200.
Rim.
200.
Mali mo mag-sale pa yon.
Hindi, 200. Bakit 200 to?
Ano ba yan?
Parehas na ito. Wala lang ilaw. Wala rin yung mic.
So GoPro din to.
Parang ganito lang. No. Pan lang to yung bolta lang. So, ibig sabihin yung
Ilalim lang.
ganyan lang, ilalim lang.
Kaya nga nagutso.
Kaya pala
Mura naman yan.
Pala mura. Hindi kasama yung pan. Akala ko kasama yung GoPro.
Hindi.
Bolta lang pala to. Yung hawakan lang. Tapos may extra battery ata din.
Sabi niya nga tripod grip.
Tripod.
Oh.
So, kung sakaling bibili ka ng ganito,
Bili ka pa nun.
let's say 574 plus
200.
200 plus
Pero kasi,
774 something plus
wow. But,
74.
may iba pa kasi ato itong kasama.
Oh. Yung may ilaw na kasi,
Mm.
may mic na rin. Yun yung kagandahan. Ito yung battery niya.
Compatible.
Maganda rin to. Yung mayroon din charger. Maganda. Parang gusto ko to.
This is where companies turn around and go, we don't do that, you have to pay for it, in which case we can order it through JB, and then JB will pay for the replacements.
Wala pa nag-a-assist. Makes sense.
Ano?
Wakan mo to. It's hot.
Hmm? Oh. Oh. So, ito yung kukunin namin kasi nag-sale.
Sale ata lahat.
Sale pala lahat. Pati yung 10. Nasa 429 na lang.
Bebe, bakit sa mukha ko? Sira ako sa kilig.
Andiyan na yung mag-assist sa amin.
Nasaan?
On the way pa lang, galing Manila. Tara.
Like the one with the button, right? The one with the button.
So yun.
Just a GoPro man, Hero 11, the Creator Edition. Do you need any other accessories with it?
I think maybe just only the memory on it.
How much are we thinking? Go all the way up to 512.
Maybe yeah, 512.
Is the max?
Yeah.
Max.
In the hand. Let me grab that one out. Would you prefer SanDisk or Samsung?
Oh, it's the best one.
Really depends. The Extreme Pro, like these ones here, they're kind of expensive for the 512, but they're the best ones for 4Ks especially. But the Pro Ultimate's pretty good as well. They're a little bit cheaper. What I'll do is, are you guys grabbing anything else or just these? Just these ones?
Yeah, and
come with me to
memory
the
card.
counter. I'll show you all the different options.
Alright,
Yo, taga-sunod ako. Come with me to the counter. Pumili. Taka doon sa kabila.
These are all
Samsung.
options here. The Samsung ones are pretty good. I prefer the Samsung ones personally.
Samsung pa yan.
I'll rank them to fastest. So the speed is what you'll be looking at, the read speed especially.
Yeah.
Especially if you do long videos, you don't want to be standing there waiting for it to kind of download onto your phone.
Yeah.
So getting the good speed is pretty good. But 130 is pretty good as well. But the mid-range one is also alright.
Which one was it?
256.
It's only 256.
256?
No. How much is one?
The biggest one. So it's usually 179. I could do it for 140.
140. Yeah.
Yeah.
How about this one?
The 256.
We don't have 512 to
We don't have 512 for it. 92. Unfortunately, I can't go any lower than that with that one.
Yeah, I can take this one.
So take that one?
Yeah. Something like 512.
Doing this one?
Yeah. This is the best one, right?
Yeah, one of our best ones, definitely. We're like transfer videos.
Better than SanDisk, is it? This
I
one?
like the Samsung ones more.
Alright.
SanDisk is just good for like high endurance stuff. So if it's always in the heat.
Yeah.
But that's with the high endurance range, and they're usually slower.
Okay.
Anyone here, which one they prefer? They'll choose
Samsung.
Samsung. And I just gotta ask as well, did you want to get the 3-year replacement on the GoPro? That basically means if the buttons get stuck and things like that. You okay with it? No worries. I have a phone number for you. Did you receipt, my man?
Sir.
Just line up for the counter. And
Ano nasabi mo? Bro, naku, si Emerick. Ay, diretso niya tayo after?
Okay, sorry. Yeah.
Be 998. Do you want a bag 50 cents?
Yes, please.
Whenever you're ready, 998.50. Just a copy of the receipt sent through to your mobile number.
Thanks, Mala. Have a good day.
Po dahil sa GoPro, ay sa GoPro. Sa fishing nila ni Brody tomorrow. Boat fishing.
May pang boat fishing na.
Sabi ko na kaka. Pabukangkang daw. Pabukangkang. Mabubukangkang kita.
Pwede na pang konso.
Pang ano?
Pang boat fishing.
Ay, bakit boat?
So may pupuntahan ka?
Ha?
Wala na? Wala na pupuntahan?
Yawi ka na, sarap naman to.
Ano?
Grabe, talagang GoPro lang talaga. Kala ko mamamasyal.
see you later, guys.
I guess. So saan na tayo pupunta?
Kakain.
Maraming tao ngayon.
Ayun yung kumain pag maraming tao. Alien kasi siya. Alien ka ba?
Kabayo.
Paano sumipa ang kabayo? Hindi na sisipa ang kabayo.
Yun na, pawid na kami. Uy. Uy. Feeling broke na outfit. Pakita mo yung luxury.
Sarap. So, di pa tayo nagko-car wash. Hindi kasi kina-car wash ni Emerick. Uy.
Hindi mo pa tinapon mo pala.
So, paalis na tayo. Let me put my seatbelt on. Yun. Init na.
So yun na. So check natin. Ito may Goodral para sa akin. Kasi sinisipon ako. Oh. At Happy Days. Nakabili na rin natin yung pinapangarap natin. GoPro 12 Creator Edition. Tagal ko nang hinihintay na mag-sale to. Yun, pauwi na kami. Hindi na ako makapaghintay i-unbox yun. GoPro 12 natin. Kasama natin yung driver natin na malaking tiyan.
Busog po ako.
guys, kita-kits mamaya. Unbox natin yung GoPro 12 natin. So kita-kits mamaya. Shoot! GoPro 12. May nakita pa rin doon, no? So yun na nga guys, unboxing na natin GoPro 12. Oh, yan din na naman. Cut. Kaya nga bumili kami, oh. Andito na ang paligoy-ligoy. GoPro 12. Saan na yung mga dito?
Subscribe ka daw.
Yung Cater Edition. Ano meron dito? Unahin natin. Ito yung ilaw. Oh, ilaw nga. Uy!
Nagpa-flash pa.
Flash pa. So, ang ganda. Ayos. Ito. Battery.
Yun.
Battery.
Pwede ka na sa 8 yan.
Oh, malit lang din pala. Malit lang. So, yun, battery. Yung lagayan niya. At ito yung mic. Yung parang voltahan grip, parang hindi ko alam kung paano tanggalin. Pero mabigat, mabigat. So, ayos.
Uy.
Yun. Ayos din. So, ito yung i-connect doon. Tapos, may pa ganyan. Factor. Yan. Ito na ganyan. So, may Bluetooth, battery, power, record. So, anyway, tetestingin natin mamaya. So, next. So, yun. Ito na yung GoPro 12. I-update pa daw. Tatanggalin na natin para makita natin yung glass. Tanggal na. At last, siguro ganito lang. Yun. Kulit na rin. Gaano kaganda ang GoPro 12. Kalubat na rin yung GoPro natin. Pasok natin dito. Yun, click. Dalhin natin pala to. Papakita natin kung ano pa yung laman dito sa loob. Mga charger, mga accessories na iba, charger, yung takip ng mic, yun. So,